As soon as she leaves, the baby's going to go back.
Go after her?
No, the baby's going to go back the other way.
I don't know where the one with the cub that came up.
Oh, there she's trying to go. God damn it.
There she goes again. She just won't give up.
Such a stupid baby.
No, are you good? Oh my goodness. There she goes.
Get her before.
And that's why the mom is upset. I'm going to teach you a lesson. What are you doing?
Yeah, pick her up. Ah.
Come here.
Oh, jeez.
Come here.
Oh, she's going to drown. Look, oh, look at the other cub way up there on the hillside. Oh my God.
She's going to sink her to teach her a lesson.
Oh. Oh, Lord, have mercy. Jeez, I can't keep the video straight.
Relax, you'll be taken back.
Why doesn't one of the lionesses come down and help?
I know, that other one's just sitting up there. All I knew was
Well, that might be the one that was fighting.
isn't there any of those her children? She must be the mom to all of those, because the other lioness took that one cub and walked away. Come on, here.
Oh, come on, another.
Oh my God.
They recognize distress.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He can't.
Can you see?
I don't know.
Well, I'm just watching and I'm taking pictures, so
He can't let go of her.
there she goes. Hallelujah.
After that, there is another.
Well, the
Yeah,
other ones are okay.
take her back.
But where are the other babies?
There's a couple of them up here in the
Did they go all
hills.
the way up?
Ah, jeez. Yeah.
Oh, there's the other one.
Oh my God. This is like drama.
It is. Let's go before something bad happens. You know, those kids are...
It's very hard.
I got no video.